Hello, everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel, your go-to source for everything related to immigration law. My name is Giselle Rodriguez, and I am an experienced immigration attorney based in Boston, Massachusetts. In this channel, we dive deep into the complexities of the U.S. immigration system to give you practical advice, tips, and guidance, whether you're aiming to apply for a green card, citizenship, or simply navigating through the immigration system. Today, we're going to talk about H-1Bs, so let's get started. What is the H-1B visa and why the cap? The H-1B visa is for professionals to work for U.S. employers, typically requiring at least a bachelor's degree. This job must be a specialty occupation, which means that it requires specific knowledge and a degree. Congress set the cap at 65,000 visas annually, with 20,000 additional visas for U.S. master degree holders. This results in 85,000 visas each year. The electronic registration process. Introduced in March of 2020, this new method replaced the old ways of mailing applications. Registration opens March 1st at noon and closes March 17th. Also at noon, employees must create a USCIS account and register their employees. The cost per applicant is $10. Remember, only U.S. employers can register applicants, and this can only be done once to avoid disqualifications, but keep in mind that multiple employers can register an applicant. Students and OPT holders. If you're on OPT but your status expires in July of 2024, and you're selected by the H-1B lottery, you may be able to get from your school what is called a cap gap extension, which would allow you to work until your H-1B status begins in October of 2024. For applicants outside of the U.S., you can still register them, but just know that they will have to go through the U.S. consulate for the H-1B process. The green card process. Filing for a green card for an employee does not affect the H-1B process, but just know that this is a complete separate process that begins with the Labor Department. We're currently in the H-1B season, and there's still time to register, but if you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to contact us. Thanks for watching, and please do not forget to like and subscribe to this video. See you on the next one.